Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a review on the Canon 6D Mark II that I recently purchased, and it came in the mail. So let's get to unboxing it. Alright, well, we made a mistake when ordering. We should have got a an EF lens instead we got an EFS lens. We got an EFS lens. So this will not fit a full frame camera such as this. I'm going to turn that and get a larger EF lens. So see you when that returns. Well, the lens came for the Canon, so this is all set up. So I'm going to do a test. So let's do a quick run through on this, and then I'm going to switch over to that and do the same run through. Okay, so here's a vlog on the A6000. No microphone. I cannot see what is in focus and what is not, or really anything about what's going on the camera. All I know is that it's recording from hearing it earlier. So this is a test on the quality of the video and the quality of the microphone. Obviously it sounds normal to you guys because that's what you're used to. Let's switch over to the Canon. And here we are on the Canon. I can see my image over here. I know everything's in focus. I have the microphone on the top right now. So yeah, here is what the Canon looks like. I can see the image, so it looks sharper, better focus. I move out, move in, I'll sharper image. I'll have to look in post-production to see what looks better, but so far this looks really good. Let's try that again. So my microphone's now on and set up with the camera. So you should be hearing directly from the microphone, not from the internal mics. So here's a second test. This is what it sounds like with the microphone on. This is it, the Canon 6D Mark II. This is my new vlogging camera. So far I like it. I like how I can see my screen right here. I have more adaptive range over the camera than the A6000. The size difference is actually quite amazing. The A6000 versus this is just insanely different size. This lens is a 50mm, so it's a bit different than the A6000 is a 35 to 55. So it does make it stationary currently, but that's why it's kind of cropped in right now, but still looks good. My focal length is really low. I think it's like at 1.8, so everything in the background is really blurred, versus in the past it'd be kind of blurred. But another big advantage of this versus the A6000 is the articulating touchscreen. So this screen here flips around so I can get it on the back side, and then I can flip it over again, and when I want to close up the entire camera, it'll just display the plastic backing, so it doesn't risk scratching up the display, and then I can flip it around and be able to see myself now, and then if I want to hold it above me to get like some angled shots up high, tilt it down, which I do on the A6000, but I cannot tilt it up, so if I want to be above, if I want to be like get some down low to the ground shots, I can get that now with seeing my screen, versus I would like have it tilted up to try to see it, and it just did not work well. So the two main reasons I got this, because I want to be able to see myself when vlogging, and I wanted to have a microphone, because the A6000 had an option to get a microphone that had a hot shoe, but as I read, it was not as good, so I figured let's just get one with a microphone. It's dual pixel autofocus, which means I can really move fast between two different subjects, and it has this touch screen on the display, creates this really nice ability to be able to touch to focus, so you can touch right where I want to focus it, and then I want to jump over this side. So right now my focus box is right on my head right now, but I can move that over here, as you can see if I tap. Can all of a sudden put me in blur and put the background in focus. This is a full frame sensor, meaning that I can have better lower light performance. I tested it here, and it's pretty good. I also really like the menu system on here versus the Sony was really a lot more cumbersome, I thought, versus this is very nice. And so yeah, that's my review of this camera. I think so far it's a great camera. Big downside is it's not 4K, so if you're looking to record 4K, then probably look for something a little bit different. Canon does have their higher end cameras that are 4K. So one of the things we're looking at, we were shopping this, was a camcorder type camera. But I found that did not have, number one, you can't switch out lenses. I don't think they're as professional. And personally, I just don't think you should go with one. I think you should stay with a DSLR. So now I'm going to transition to the part of this video where I beg people for likes and attention. So if you would not mind liking this and subscribing, it does actually help out the channel a lot. And we have, I think, 340, which is insane. I don't know where all you guys are coming from, but thank you for joining this channel. Thank you for liking and commenting on my videos and being a subscriber. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye.